Hey, beautiful, you looking gorgeous today. So I got some things that I gotta do today. Today's a pretty chill day, but I do have some things I gotta do, and I thought if I vlog it, then I'll most likely do it. So this is gonna be a vlog. So you guys know I'm like basic. I like a mocha frap from Starbucks, but like I don't got that Starbucks money like that. So what I did was I took the cheapest coffee that I could find at the store and I put it into the filter. I wrapped it up like a tea bag and then I put some hot water on top of it and I put it in the freezer. So I'm about to make my own at-home mocha frap. I have no idea how this is gonna go. I found a recipe, so hopefully it's good. Ooh, it looks so good. All right, let's see. I should have used more cubes of coffee, but it's really good. It needs more coffee, but Starbucks could never. And my hair is like 8 days old. It's an old twist out. My nails, I'm gonna add that to the list. So if I can, I'm gonna do my hair and my nails today. But first, let's finish coffee, start cleaning. And I think I'm gonna start with the bathroom. Okay, I have swept, mopped, and cleaned the kitchen. I cleaned the bathroom. I did my nails. It's a lot of glitter. I low-key should have just did all black and maybe like one finger was glitter, but it's fine. I don't know if they still sell this, but it's from Sinful Colors. It's color 923, Queen of Beauty. Love that. And it dries fast, that's why I picked this color. So I was thinking I should go to Marshall's now. I gotta take something back to Home Goods. When I come back, then I could clean my room, I could sleep and mop. And yeah, so we're about to go to Marshall's. I also have my bathroom rug. It's kind of dirty, only because I wear my slippers to the bathroom, so I need to start going in there barefoot. So I'm trying to figure out, should I take it to the dry cleaners? Should I wash it by hand in the shower? Or should I trust the washing machine? Even though it takes coins, so I can't like do specifics. Like it says 100% cotton, but if this starts to unravel, I'm gonna be sad. So maybe white was not the best choice, but it looks so cute. So while I'm walking, I'm gonna think if I should put it in the wash or take it to a dry cleaners because I am scared. But yeah, let's go to Marshall's. Y'all just not gonna remind me that I said I was gonna take out the trash. I thought we were friends. And I just found out it's gonna rain today. So let me grab my umbrella just in case, because I'm gonna wash my hair anyway, but I can't do a rain now. Why they got the Christmas pillows out so early? This is pretty though. Let it snow, let it snow. Look how cute this is. And this one. Ah, and these cats are adorable. Adorbs. Adorbs. This stuff is so cute, but I don't need any more pumpkins. Oh my gosh, these glass pumpkins, I do not trust myself with them, but they're so cute. Oh, so pretty. Just want to touch everything. I brought hand sanitizer, don't worry. I put a spell on you. Hands off my coffee. Aw. I wish they had that Black Girl Magic mug that I saw at TJ Maxx. The line downstairs is stupid, but at least I'm getting stuff. Hocus pocus. I honestly have no idea how long this vlog is, but I just got back home. It's dark outside. It started to rain, so I headed back. Something about New York and rain just makes me think that it's extra gross, so I was cringing at the thought of it touching me. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Marshall's real quick, like a little Marshall's haul. So first, I got some mixing bowls because I need some more. I got this Spa Scriptions gel face mask with mask applicator. It has cucumber, gold, and rose. These are all gel face masks. I like gel face masks and I like clay face masks. I don't like the peeling stuff. I also got some Pore Scrubbers. My spin brush is kind of old, it's kind of dirty, so I want a new one, but I couldn't really find one, so I decided to get these instead. I'm gonna try these out. Hopefully it like exfoliates and things like that. Speaking of exfoliating, I got a lavender and mint exfoliating facial scrub by Live Green. It smells so good. Lavender is just so calming to me. And it's even purple. It was like purple blue, but it smells relaxing. And the mint is gonna give me like that cooling sensation on my pores. I like that. Of course, I had to look at natural hair stuff. So I got the Aunt Jackie's Not Your Average Curl Bamboo and Avocado Protein Mask. My hair has been acting kind of, I don't know. It probably needs some protein. I haven't done a protein treatment in 2 months, and I usually do a protein treatment once a month. So I'm gonna use this my next wash day, which is probably gonna be tonight. I don't know yet. I got a body scrub. It is the lavender and I hate words. Chamomile. It's not cat. I think it's chamomile. It's a lavender body scrub. It's from Aromatherapy, Deepest Dreams. It's purple. I love it. It smells really good. And I don't know, I just want a new body scrub. And I liked how this is inside a tube, so I can just take this in the shower and just squeeze it out versus having to scoop it and then having water getting all in it. I think this would be really good. I didn't really see many like Halloween stuff that I was in love with because, you know, balling on a budget. But I did see some clothes. And why is it that the men's section is always better than the women's? I don't know, but I just picked up 2 shirts. I got this shirt from the women's section. It is a size large and it has like these buttons and it's like a mustard color. I thought this screamed fall and it's very soft and I think this will look good with like a cardigan or something like that. This kind of tight. This might have to go back. And I got this sweater from the men's section. It's TLC cause of creep. Yeah, just keeping on the down low. I thought it was so cool and it was a dope find. So I'm like, yeah, I have to have this. But that's everything that I got from Marshall's. I'm kind of upset that I didn't get to go to HomeGoods to return something. Plus I wanted some more pillows for my little future filming area. But I'm gonna go to HomeGoods probably sometime this week. I think it's gonna rain a lot this week. So when it's not raining, I'm gonna go. I need a new umbrella low key. But yeah, if you guys been paying attention, I'm not eating today yet. So I'm probably gonna eat dinner and I'm gonna clean this area up. I think I'm gonna wash my rug in the washing machine and just pray that it doesn't fall apart and unravel. But yeah, after I'm done cleaning, the next video will probably be me decorating for Halloween. Just have all the little decorations up that I got. I'm so excited. But yeah, you guys, this is the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king now. This is Halloween.